Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yemag TV. This is Yemag. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I am very sorry. I'm a little bit strong. Yeah, to my return subscribers, to my lovers out there, I greet you. Thank you. You are the one that is keeping me going. And I love you. I just want to tell you that I love you so much. You are the one that is Yemag. I love you a lot, and I always pray for you. You will be successful in everything that you lay your hand on. In Jesus' name, amen. And to the person that is watching me for the very first time, if today is the first time of watching me, of seeing me on your phone or on your television or your screen, if today is your first time, please, after watching, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Without your subscriptions, there will not be Yemag. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the notification button to notify you anytime we drop any video. You'll be the first one to see it. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about how to break family curses. Part 1. How to break family curses. And what is family curses? Family curses is the curses of our ancestors, the curses that is disturbing our family and that is affecting us too. It might be a forefather or foremothers. Like, for example, you just notice that what happens to your mother is what is happening to you. What happened to your grandmother is what is happening to you. That is family curses. Yeah, you inherited it from your mother too. You notice that the way your mother was living her life when she was young is the same way you two are going. For example, maybe your mother gets married at the age of 25. You two get married at the age of 25. Your mother or your father were not successful, and you notice that thing is affecting you too. You are not successful too. Nobody in your family that have ever gone to America or so things like that. There are so many type of family causes, and it can be from your mother directly. Yeah, your mother can cause you, your father can cause you, your husband, your boyfriend, even a neighbor. So we have types of causes. So how can we break it? How can we break those causes on us? That is what we are looking at today. Let's first of all look at mother's cause. Somebody can say, no. My mother cannot cause me. It's not possible. My dear, it is 100% possible. Even the mother might not do it intentionally. For example, when you were small, your mother sent you an errand, or you did not deliver the errand, and your mother said, your children will do that to you. That cause alone, because she's the one that carry you in her womb. She's the one that breastfeed you. That cause alone will stick on you. If maybe you stole something in the house, when we were small, anybody does that. You can go and take some money, small change that you want to use. You don't want our mother to know, and they will start cursing. The mother curses is more effective than somebody else, like father or neighbor or your friend or relationship curses. So if your mother curses you because of that thing that you stole or you take unintentionally, you want to use it when you are innocent, that curse will stick on you. Then another curse is that your father's curse. It's the same applied to mother's curse too. If your father curses you one way or the other, it will affect you. There was a man in our village. I don't know what I was small, like I was young then. I don't know what the guy did to the father. The father just, even the father did not curse the guy ordinarily. He have to put some stuff in his mouth. That thing they used to call, in Yoruba language, they used to call it ashe. They put that thing in their mouth to curse someone. So the man now put that thing in his mouth to curse his son. Believe me sincerely, that man, until he broke the curses, there is nothing he laid his hand upon that prosper. At the age of 45, he could not get married. Anywhere he went to pray, they will say his father curses him. So anywhere the guy went to pray, they will tell him that his father curses him. He fasted, he do all sorts of things, but the curse could not break, except when he did some things, some rituals to break the curses, because that curse was very, very, very powerful on him. He could not, no money. In fact, he was begging to eat. He could not get married at the age of 45. He was, if you go to somewhere to look for a job, they will not. In fact, he was smelling to people out there, like spiritual smelling. So that is father curses. Another type of curse. Now, another type of curse is sexual curses. Yeah. Some ladies did it to their boyfriend or to their husband. They will strip themselves naked. They will be declaring curses on the guy, saying, except if you do not climb me, except if you do not suck my breast, except if this and that. So those curses are very strong on a human being. A man can curse his girlfriend, his wife too. So those are curses that follows people everywhere they go, and they will not know. They will just be wondering why that is not working for me. They'll be wondering why are people successful and they are not successful. So, and another thing, jealous causes. Oh, Jesus. Jealous causes is real. Your friend can be jealous of you, your neighbor, anybody can be jealous of you. So in that aspect, it will cost you. Or put something on the ground for you to mash, and boom, your life turn around for bad. I pray such thing will not happen to us in Jesus' name. So, how do we break those curses? It's what I want to talk about today. And this is part 1. I'll give you another remedy on my next video. So, what do we need to do this? We have ashes. This is ashes. What is ashes? For example, you are using charcoal to cook, or they burn bushes. If they burn bushes, you can get an ashes. If you are using charcoal to cook, if you burn some charcoal, you can get ashes. Even if you burn paper, you get ashes. So, this is the ashes. This is the main ingredient of what we are going to use to break the curses, the generational curses, any curses whatsoever on us. This is what we are going to use. So, the ashes, in Yoruba language, they used to say one proverb that ẹni tó bá da ẹrú, òun ni ẹrú máa ń tàn. That is, if it is throw it to the air, the ashes will come back to the person that throw it. That is the meaning. So we use the power of these ashes, that ẹni tó bá da ẹrú, whosoever throw ashes is who the ashes will follow, to break the curses. Another thing you need is palm oil. Yep, this is my palm oil. Original palm oil from the village. You need this too. And you need a very, like, that have a very good scent. That have a very good scent. If you don't have it, you can add your perfume to your soap. How do you do the soap? This is the soap. You will grind it. Just like this. So I finished grinding the. I just want to put in a container where you can see it very well. This is my white soap. This is the soap originally. So I use what I'm using to do okra. To do it, to pieces it. So this is it. What you are going to do next is you will add your ashes to it. Just add small amount of ashes. You will mix it together. You will have some water to it. Because water is life. Sorry, let me go and get some water. So this is my water. I want to add some water. Just small amount of water. Continue mixing. So this is it. This is soap mixed with ashes. But if you have a black soap at home, if you have a black soap, all you need to do is to add some perfume to it. Then you mix it. For example, this is my black soap. You can mix it with this the small ashes. So if you have a black soap at home, you don't need to add water to the black soap because it's already soft. Unlike the white soap that is very strong. This one is soft. So you will mix the ashes with the black soap just like this. So after mixing, you can add some perfume. Me, I'm using Divine Grace perfume. This is a special perfume, not an ordinary perfume, normal perfume that we are using. So I'm continue mixing. It's because this one I already have perfume, this white soap. Because me, I use Lux soap that have perfume. Continue mixing. You can still put some ashes. If you want me to do it for you, I'm available. Yes, now. If you want me to do it for you, I will do it and send it to you. So this is the outcome. I have two different soap now. I have the one with black soap. I have the one with white soap. You can use any of it. Depends on the one you first of all get from the market. Now, before you use this soap, before you use this soap, you will first of all rub your body with palm oil. You take some palm oil and rub your body with it. I'm going to use this soap now. You rub your body with it. After rubbing, you will take the soap that you want to use, start praying on it. So you will the soap, start praying on it, that every family causes that is following me around, every causes that is following me around that I inherited from my family, from my mother's side, from my father's side, God should break it now. Bro, God should break any family curse that is disturbing my destiny. Anything that you want, you just be declaring it on it. After you might have rubbed yourself with the palm oil. So you pray very hard on it. Very, very hard on it. You declare anything that you want. Then you go and bath with it. What are you going to use to bath with it? A very new sponge. Preferable a local sponge. Because by the time you finish bathing with the sponge, you will throw it from your back, and you later pick it and burn it, or you trash it so where nobody can use it again. You don't use it again, no. When you have used this one to bath, you don't use it. And if you are using a net sponge, don't just go and throw it away, or you burn it. It's preferable to burn it, so because you might not be able to use it again after the prayer. So guys, I want to quickly add something so that I will not forget. If you are a lady that want to do this soap in large quantity for you to be using once in a while, please, anytime you are on your menstruation flow, please do not touch it. And if you are a man, if you have a nice time with your wife, please make sure you bath to yourself before you use this soap. It's very important. Don't have a nice time with your wife, immediately you go and touch the soap. It will spoil the effectiveness of the soap. So thank you very much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please, that is what is keeping us going on this channel. Please make sure you help me to subscribe and share to your friends, to your Facebook page, to your WhatsApp status. Please help me to share. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always sharing my video. I love you all. See you in my next video. May the good Lord bless